guys? Hey, what's up? Welcome to day 31. It's day 31. Look at me sitting in the car. Y'all think I'm not walking today? Oh, y'all must have forgot. Girlfriend walking. Hey, I'm still walking. Look at that. I got 8,660 steps in. I got to get the rest of my steps. But you know what? I got other things to do instead of my hair. I got other things to do. And then walk down these streets. I got to go in the store and get some things, girl. Today I am at Aldi's. I'm going to walk around Aldi's, y'all. I'm going to get my steps in at Aldi's. I parked far away from the store here. So yeah, I parked a good little ways away from the store so that I can walk and collect some steps, y'all. Yes, I'm going to collect these steps. So let's go into Aldi's and walk around. We're walking, guys. Let's go. We're getting our steps in. Hopefully it didn't pause on me. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're going. Oh yeah, let's go. I forgot my quarter. Don't you hate that? But guess what? I get to get some more steps in. I got to go to the car and get my quarter. Because they require you to have your own buggy. For you to get a buggy at Aldi's, you got to put a quarter in. So let's go and do that. Let's get the quarter so we can get the buggy. Come on. Let's go. Hey, that's a good, extra 50 steps I got for not doing anything. All right. Your girl is in Aldi's. Hi, we walking around. We're here to get us some mushrooms. Okay, what else do we need in here? Oh, some kale. Let's see if they have some kale. Don't you just hate that when they don't have what you're looking for? Oh, we need tomatoes. Let's see if they have tomatoes. We've got our tomatoes. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we just came out of Aldi's. We got all of our goodies. And we got steps in. Hey, that was good. Now I got to get back to the trail, y'all. Hey, we back on the trail. What's up? Our 10,000 steps a day challenge. We getting it in, y'all. Let's see how many steps we got so far. Let's do a check, y'all. Y'all ready to do a check? Let's see. Okay. We've got less than 200 steps before our 10,000 steps that we need for the day. Yes, we have been busy today. And guess what, y'all? Y'all won't believe it. Just like that, we did some errands. We took care of some things. And guess what? Ooh, we got them 10,000 steps in, y'all. Hey, we got our 10,000 steps in. That's what I'm talking about. Proud of it. Yes, you know I gotta wish you great health. I wish you great wealth. And I want you to be surrounded by love. Hey, we're getting our steps in. We're walking it on a daily basis. Even if we skip a day, we're renewing the next day. And we keep going. Come on. Let's get our exercise in. Get our body healthy, circulating that good energy. Hey, let's love ourselves. Love each other and love ourselves, guys. Love is everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.